Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use 7Rooms as a complete beginner. Before we start, here's what we will cover in this video. We will look at how to access the 7Rooms website, how the main dashboard features work, how the Marketing Hub supports campaigns, how the Guest Experience Hub manages reservations and loyalty, how the Operations Hub improves daily workflow, and how integrations, reporting tools, and resources can help you understand the platform better. By the end of this video, you will have a complete overview of how 7Rooms works and how you can start using it for your restaurant or hospitality business. All right, let's begin. 7Rooms is designed for restaurants and hospitality businesses that want to enhance guest experiences, manage reservations easily, and maintain long-term customer loyalty. The platform combines guest data, reservations, communication tools, and analytics into one organized system. Many well-known restaurants and hotels trust 7Rooms because it improves guest satisfaction while helping businesses grow. To begin, open your browser and visit 7rooms.com. Once the homepage loads, you will see two main options in the top right corner. One option is Login, which is used if you already have an account. The second is Book a Demo, which allows you to enter your details and schedule a demonstration with a 7Rooms representative. During the demo, you will learn how each feature works and how the platform can support your business needs. However, if you do not want to share your information yet, you can still explore the website freely. The homepage contains plenty of information that explains how 7Rooms works. You will see different sections describing the platform's capabilities. This gives you a clear idea of what the system offers before committing to anything. Now let us go through the major features of 7Rooms, starting with the Marketing Hub. This is one of the most important sections because communication and marketing play a major role in bringing customers back. The first part of the Marketing Hub is CRM and segmentation. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. This feature builds detailed guest profiles based on visits, preferences, and behaviors. For example, it can store information such as favorite dishes, special requests, dietary restrictions, visit frequency, and spending patterns. With this information, you can create targeted marketing campaigns that match guest interests. For example, if someone likes seafood, you can send them a message when you have a seafood event. The next part of the Marketing Hub is marketing automation. This feature is helpful because it sends automated messages based on guest activity. For example, you can automatically send birthday greetings, thank you messages after visits, reminders for upcoming events, or re-engagement messages if a guest has not visited for some time. Automation ensures consistent communication without requiring manual effort every day. Following this is email marketing. This tool lets you create professional email campaigns directly inside 7Rooms. You can design emails, schedule them, and send them to the right audience. These emails can be used for promotions, announcements, seasonal updates, or menu changes. Next is text marketing. This tool allows you to send SMS messages to guests. Text messages are useful for quick communication, for example, reservation updates, confirmation messages, and short promotions. Many customers respond faster to text messages, so this tool helps keep your communication effective. Another section in the Marketing Hub is Search, Social, and Discovery. This helps improve your online visibility. With the rise of digital platforms, visibility on search engines and social networks is important. This feature improves your presence on Google Search, Google Maps, social media pages, and review sites. When potential customers search for restaurants, your business becomes easier to discover. Now let us move to the Guest Experience Hub. This hub focuses on improving guest satisfaction during their interaction with your business. The first section in this hub is reservations and waitlist management. This tool allows you to manage online bookings, walk-ins, and waitlists. You can see which tables are available, assign them to guests, and reduce waiting time. This system also reduces booking errors and double reservations. It keeps operations organized, especially during rush hours. Next is loyalty and perks. This tool allows you to create custom loyalty programs. You can offer points, rewards, exclusive offers, or special discounts for returning guests. Loyalty programs encourage guests to return more often and make them feel valued. Another important tool is reputation management. This feature tracks customer reviews on platforms like Google and Yelp. You can read reviews directly through 7Rooms and respond quickly. This helps maintain good ratings and improve your business image. Quick responses also show customers that you care about their experience. Now let us move to the Operations Hub. This is where 7Rooms becomes extremely useful for day-to-day operations. The first tool in this hub is table management. This feature helps you manage seating arrangements efficiently. You can assign tables, track which tables are occupied, estimate dining time, and manage server assignments. This keeps your dining area organized and ensures smooth service. Next is revenue management. This tool uses dynamic pricing strategies. For example, you can increase prices during peak hours or offer discounts during slow hours. This helps balance demand and maximize revenue. Dynamic pricing is becoming popular in the hospitality industry because it helps businesses adapt to changing customer flow. Another feature is online ordering. This allows you to accept direct online orders without depending on third-party apps that charge high commissions. This helps increase profit margins and gives you more control over the ordering experience. Guests can place orders directly through your website. The reporting and group reporting feature provides detailed insights. You can view analytics about sales, reservation trends, guest spending behavior, and staff performance. These reports help you make informed decisions. For example, you can identify your busiest hours, most popular items, or average guest spending. SevenRooms also supports API integrations, which means it can work with many other platforms. It integrates with Google services, social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram, restaurant platforms like TripAdvisor and Zomato, payment systems like Stripe and FreedomPay, and POS systems like Square and Toast. These integrations help create a smooth workflow because all your systems communicate with each other. If you want to learn more about SevenRooms, visit the resources section on the website. This section includes blogs, guides, articles, and industry news. The blog posts discuss ideas, tips, and new strategies for restaurant management. For example, one of the blog posts explains improving your restaurant's waitlist. These resources help you stay updated and improve your business strategies. SevenRooms also offers webinars. These are free sessions where experts explain different features and share best practices. Webinars are very useful if you want a deeper understanding of how the system works. If you need help, you can visit the Contact Support page. This page provides customer support options, sales inquiry forms, and partnership options. SevenRooms also uses region-based restrictions for security. If certain pages do not load, it may be because your region is restricted. Now, why do businesses choose SevenRooms? Many restaurants select this platform because it offers a complete system instead of separate tools. It helps increase revenue, improve guest satisfaction, and maintain smooth operations. It is easy to use and offers all essential tools in one place. One of my clients uses SevenRooms and finds it helpful for managing guest data, coordinating staff, running marketing campaigns, and organizing daily operations. If you want to see everything in detail, do not hesitate to book a demo. It gives you a complete overview and helps you understand how the system fits your business needs. So that is basically how you can use SevenRooms as a beginner. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.